Let's try to create this very simple example using grid, using direct entry mode. So first step is to define some settings for the grid and the snap, turn them on. I can use, I can leave this to be easier, no big problem. Um, and then turn it on. I will start in on the origin 00. So first point, it will be my 175.0, which is this point here. Okay. So now I can use, if I have spacings that define under the conditions I need, I can use it. Otherwise, I can simply use direct distance. So in this case, 1. I can turn now snap mode off, and the ortho, it is good. So to up, 125, 1 up, 3.5, 1 down, 125, snap mode, off now, 1, ortho off now, and here is, I can use relative coordinates also. So the at, and it will be 125x, 3 in y, ortho again, 1, 6.5, 1, and for example, where it is ortho off, probably I've done some mistake around, or probably here. Okay, but it doesn't matter. It's some small mistake inserting a value, but I think the concept it is done. Uh, we can use all these methods: direct distance, grid, coordinates, relative, polar, whatever it is. We can use them in conjunction to achieve a result.